Welcome to Don't Get Wrecked. I'm a crypto enthusiast since 2013 and the web developer behind buybitcoinsmart.com. Today, I'll be showing you how to buy Bitcoin in Pakistan. Let's get started. So step 1, you need to choose the exchange. To begin, go to buybitcoinsmart.com or click the link below. Once you're on the website, type in Pakistan and you'll see a list of all the best exchanges to buy Bitcoin in Pakistan. Choose an exchange that suits your needs. Step 2, you need to register and KYC. This process usually involves providing your personal information and verifying your identity. And step 3, deposit fiat and buy Bitcoin. This process is usually different depending on which exchange you chose, so be sure to follow their instructions. And thanks for watching. Make sure to click the link below to see the updated list of all the exchanges in Pakistan. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. That way you'll never miss a new video and can continue to learn more about crypto. And if you want to stay up to date on the latest trends in crypto, earn free crypto, airdrops, DeFi, NFTs and more, be sure to join the Don't Get Wrecked Academy. And that's it for today. Hope this video has been helpful in showing you how to buy Bitcoin in Pakistan. See you in the next video.